Due to the large number of users, YouTube is constantly introducing new features to its platform. One of the relatively new features is the ability to create quizzes via the Community tab. In this tutorial, I will show you how to create a quiz in 2 ways, using the mobile YouTube application and using the website on your computer. Let's start with the mobile application. Open the YouTube app on your phone. Access your account by tapping on the account icon and then selecting the name of your YouTube channel. Tap on the plus button located at the bottom center. Here, you can add a video, shorts, live stream, or create a post. Select the post option. To create a quiz, click on the checkmark button here. Add a question for your quiz. I've already copied my question, so I'll just paste it here. How many titles does Novak Djokovic have in all Grand Slams? Now, add all the answers, both correct and incorrect ones. In the first field, enter one of the answers. I'll enter 20, which is an incorrect answer. Then, I'll enter 23, 24, and 25. We'll mark the correct answer by clicking on the circle next to the correct option. In my case, it's the number 24. Below, we can provide users with an explanation or additional information about the correct answer. I'll write that he won his 24th title at the US Open. Additional settings can be found in the top right corner. By clicking on this icon, we can adjust the quiz's duration. By clicking on the clock icon, we can set a schedule time. I won't adjust anything additional. To publish the quiz, click on the Done button. You can find the quiz in the Community tab. Let's now create a quiz using the computer. Open the YouTube website in your preferred browser and access your channel. Of course, you must be logged into the site with your account. Go to the Community tab. Click to add text for the question. I'll pose the following question: how many titles does Rafael Nadal have in all Grand Slams? Now, click on Quiz. Add the answers to your question. I'll enter 20, 21, 22, and 23. The correct answer is 22, and I'll mark it by clicking on the circle next to it. I'll also add an explanation. Last one was in the Australian Open 2022. Once you've finished creating the quiz, click on Post. And that's it. I hope you found the video helpful. Do you respond to YouTube quizzes when you come across them? Let us know in the comments and subscribe to our channel.